This may be the most delicious asparagus I've ever made. You're going to want to stick around because it's super easy to make and has really simple ingredients. So we're going to start with about 2 pounds of asparagus. Let's cut it into thirds and then throw away the bottoms. Put them into a bowl. And then let's add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Minced garlic, you can measure with your heart, or you can look at my recipe attached and get the exact measurements. Shredded Parmesan, also go ahead and measure with your heart if you like. If not, I have the measurements. Garlic powder. Then I use Kinder garlic Parmesan seasoning. You can use your favorite though. Give it a good mix just to make sure everything is well coated, and then we're going to put in the key ingredient as far as I'm concerned, which is the honey. Use about a tablespoon, but again, measure with your heart. Then we're going to give it another good mix just to make sure that all of our asparagus got coated with that honey. Put it in your air fryer at 400 degrees for 10 minutes, and you're going to mix it about halfway. And if you like your asparagus cooked a little more, just cook it a little longer. But 10 minutes is really pretty perfect. Finish it off with another drizzle of that honey and a little more fresh grated Parmesan, and you have got a restaurant-worthy side dish that no one will believe was so easy to make. It is so delicious, pretty much addictive as far as I'm concerned. You're going to love this one. Let me know what you think. I hope you love it.